We have got a jam-packed day to kick off our World Championships.
Death Sentence lands on towards him. The wave comes riding through along with the Aqua Prison on Navi. Taken very low. Has to back away from this one. Mana fancies it. Mana gets it. Turtle gets hit up. Will he be able to keep it going? Everybody's jumping in and going for broke this time. Gilius gets hit up. And the surrender comes in from SK.
This has been an amazing start to Worlds already, and there is so much more to go.
Garnet Devil's going to be hit up by Holy Phoenix here. The last shot crits, and it hits. Green Tea's now the focus. DP is getting what they want inside the base.
They're smashing them in the back of the barrel pit. Well, there's the shockwave. It gets Jay. 2 for 1 up until now, but it's a double for Uzi. In that middle lane. Oh, he's flashed it, but has he got the range?
Oh,
points
Green Tea!
Oh, the fire conflict.
Beat your
Green
lane.
Tea looking to be the hero. The dodge on the horse.
Too good.
Again, Sunder.
Yes.
He survived. In the end here, surely someone will get finished up. It's Korn that went first, but Uzi's getting the reset.
It's a wrap up day 1 of the League of Legends World Championship.